Hello everyone, welcome to Safi Tuts. And in this video, I'm going to tell you how to download and install Microsoft Photos app in your PC and Windows. So you have to go Microsoft Store, or you can search here Microsoft Store. So you can see Microsoft. Simply click on that. Once you click on that, then you will see you will get all the apps here. So you need to search here Microsoft Photos. So Microsoft Photo. So you can see this is the Microsoft Photos, and it's really cool. So like 3.9 ratings and 288. So I already downloaded this in my device, that's why you'll see like that. So you can simply click get, then it will be installed in your device Windows. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. So today's number, and thank you for watching.